Hello friends! Welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the last week of May. Got some washi tape here ready to go, as well as these sticker books which I'll pull from. And this is the last week of the May Plannable Challenge, and this week's theme is Colors of Summer. So if you'd like to participate, go ahead and post your spreads up on Instagram using the hashtag PlannableMay2021. We'd love to see what you come up with. Okay guys, so this week I am going into this spread without a real clear plan on how I want to do it. Luckily the theme Colors of Summer is kind of open, so I figured I would just try to pull in some nice color from some of these summer sticker books and seasonal sticker books that I have in some summer themes and just see where it takes us. I'm going to lean into the more pastel brights, I guess. It would be a good way to describe the color scheme I think I'll be going for. So the fitness sticker book really has a lot of those pastel bright tones in it, and I thought I'd start off with just seeing how these breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers look on the page, kind of staggered with the different colors, and see how I like it. I will say right now it looks a little bit like Skittles, and I'm not a big fan of that look, but I thought I'd try and drop in maybe some stat stickers and just see if I liked what was going on there, but I really just did not feel like that was a good match. And then I thought maybe I would pull in the blues from the summer sticker book that I have there and do more like a water theme. But then I realized I really didn't have any functional fitness stickers with that color, and it would have been really hard to make that happen without some planning. So decided to go back to that more pastel toned brights and see what I can make work here on the spread. I also pulled washi in those same tones, but the washi isn't really matching up like I had hoped with the colors from the stickers. I have them there, but I end up not really using those washi tapes at all. So still kind of sticking with the stickers from the back of the summer sticker book and the fitness sticker book for now, and just trying to see what I have as far as decor and color. I think what I'm going to do is more of a rainbow type spread here, using each day for a color just to make my life a little bit easier, since I don't have any strong decor to really work with for this spread. Sometimes you kind of have to make things work just by using color or texture or something to bring everything together. So I've got, I think, an idea for the color scheme I'm going to be going for. And I have that Hello Summer sticker with the gradient of color, which is going to be kind of the theme I think I'll work with. And since these arrows are kind of mismatched as far as the colors go, there's not a real clear gradient that I can make with these. I'm just going to go ahead and put those back. It wasn't working for me the way that it was turning out. And instead I'm going to go into my fitness accessory book and pull in some of those colors from that book there into the food log area. I have 3 of these books total, one older one and then 2 I got on clearance that I combined here into one thick book, just to make my life a little easier when I'm searching for certain things. I really thought that this was a very useful book as far as making spreads nice and colorful and fun in my health planner, so picking up 2 more of those was definitely a good thing for me. Really like a lot of these functional stickers with that punch of color. So I'm doing what I can to match up the food log with those workout sticker headers that I've pulled, trying to make everything, again, kind of in line, a certain color, creating a rainbow effect. So I was able to pull in all of the food log stickers that I needed, and now I'm really kind of on the search for what else I'm going to bring in to make this spread just look fun and colorful. Decided to pull in some more color here, since that seems to be the strongest theme here is color. So I'm going to pull in these step stickers from that same accessory book, and they have all of the coordinating colors that I need. So that'll just add a little bit more color there down at the bottom in my stats area. And now I'm just trying to see what else I might want to bring in for decor. Again, not real sure how to bring some fun into the spread outside of the color. So here's the summer sticker book that I'm in right now, and I'm trying to see if I can bring in maybe some coordinating decor like for each day, if I can find matching colors. So far I found a few paper stickers with some sunglasses, and I think I'm just going to try and find some other smaller items in the same kind of color coordinated scheme and make a little collage here in the middle. Did like that quote, but I didn't really find a good place for it there in the middle. I'm in the fitness sticker book now, finding a few more items that I think I can bring in kind of that rainbow gradient across the goal section here. So I'm just finding what I can and using up some of the stickers that I really never use from this book. I'm even cutting up some of these circle stickers, trying to use some of the elements here. So it's going to be a little bit of a mix of like fitness oriented, but also, you know, kind of summer themes with the colors, all coordinating with the day. So it's going to feel like the whole week is just one long rainbow effect. So I have a few of these circle stickers with the sports bras in different colors, and so I'm going to pull those in, kind of scrounging for different small decor items to bring in the right colors. I'm even going to bring in one of these cycle stickers that I'd never use. And this book that I'm in is the fitness sticker book. It's an older fitness sticker book now. All of the sticker books that I use will be linked down below if I can find a link to it, and you can find it from there if you like something in particular that you see. And here I'm back in that summer sticker book, pulling in a few more summer related items in the right colors where I can find them. Like I said, it's a little bit hard to find everything that I'm looking for. There's also this Happy Year sticker book that I have. It has some smaller stickers, and I thought, well, popsicles is a good one. So I'm going to cut up this box sticker and use some of these popsicles where I can, kind of again, more of a summer theme. Hopefully that will be enough to really fill out this spread. Get that color gradient of decor working across the center there. Trying to see if there's anything else I can bring in, specifically in purple. It would be nice to have one more purple item if I can find it. But I'm having a hard time finding any more paper stickers with that purple color. So that'll just have to do. I'll probably rework it a little bit as I move it onto the spread. And I decided, again, I wanted just to have each day really strongly showing the color scheme. So I'm going to bring in these smaller arrows that are at the bottom of that fitness accessory book and kind of line them up for my double workout days. Hopefully having the 2 arrows there will make me more likely to do the 2 workouts. Last week, or the week I'm currently filming in, is my birthday week, so my normal routine was not happening. I am hoping to start back up, especially after all of the donuts I ate this week, and get back on track. I also didn't find any habit trackers that I really thought were going to work in the fitness sticker book, so I went back to my wellness roll and brought that in just for some habit trackers. And I'm really going to miss that when I'm done with that wellness roll, because those habit trackers have come in pretty handy over the last year or so. And I think just again, for some added texture, you guys have heard me say texture is key. I'm going to cut up this box sticker into strips and then maybe place those in and around that goal section to kind of bring a little bit of interest here to the spread and link that color scheme up a little bit to create something that looks more like it's one whole piece. They're all floating there, which is nice, but it would be better if I have it so it feels like it's contained somehow a little bit more cleanly. I think bringing in this texture might help with that. Just seeing how I might lay those in. It's a little awkward there all across the top, so I'm not sure if that's going to be my final decision. I'm going to rework the sidebar a little bit more too. Really liked that quote, and I thought that the colors were just perfect for this spread, so I'm going to bring that in and replace out that smaller rainbow sticker with the black one for my rest day. I think that helps kind of counteract some of the sunglasses, since they have that like strong black lens thing going on. Also kind of feels like it's still in the color scheme, even though it's not the green that's on the day. And also emphasizes the summer theme. So now I'm moving over the food log stickers. Just carefully setting those in. I decided to move the step stickers down to the bottom, and I will put the stats above. So I still need to print those. I oftentimes will get started on this and forget to print out my stat stickers, but luckily it really only takes me like 5 minutes tops to get it all set up and figure out what I want to do. Just have to turn on the printer and go. I use a foam memo printer, which is a thermal printer, and if you want to know more about that, I did a whole video on it, as well as gave away stat sticker templates for you to download and use in your own printer. So if you're interested in that, just check the description below. I have a link to the video that will take you there and give you all the info you need. I'm going to go ahead and start moving over the workout boxes at the top. Again, just kind of lining things up, setting myself up for success with those double arrows. I have been doing a pretty good job with strength training the last month and a half or so, and fairly consistent, so I do want to keep that going. I do feel like I am building more muscle and getting more toned. I don't know if you guys have strength trained before. If you have, I'm battling the whole thing with, you're putting on muscle, but that also usually means that you get heavier. So I'm hoping that most of the lack of weight loss is due to putting on muscle versus just gaining weight, because I feel like I've been doing everything right for the most part. So we'll see. I know it takes a little while for the body to adjust, but I'm hoping that's really what's going on. We'll see. So I just am not happy with the way that was looking, so I'm going to try maybe stacking these guys on top of each other, see if that would work. I don't think I have enough to make that happen. Might have to get creative here. Maybe do some kind of stagger movement or overlap. Again, I just want a little extra something, a little extra texture, like I said, in this area. Gives more interest to the spread. And I kind of like that, just layering things on top of each other. And okay, we'll get started trying to make that happen. I'm going to lay these guys in first, just so I can work around them with the collage items. It's going to be a little bit awkward at the end because I have that extra skinny version of the cut up there, so I'm going to kind of layer it on top of each other, try to make it seem like it's a full-size piece. I think that works, even though it's a little bit rough there on the edge. And now we're going to move over all the little items. Again, kind of make it feel like it's all contained as best I can within this box here. Going for that gradient display across the middle there, using the items to do so. I know it's not super strong with the summer theme, but I think the colors are very summery, and it is a health spread, so I do like to have a little bit of health-oriented decor in here when I can. Just moving things over. And I think this will work. I don't think it's too awkward just yet. And okay, so I still need to print those stat stickers like I mentioned. Let me get that going. Going to trim up these stat stickers pretty close to the edge of the words, just so that it's really minimal and I have plenty of room to write, not a lot of overlap. But once I am done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!